With Flaxxa Wapi, you can supercharge your WhatsApp marketing by sending bulk messages, automating customer support with AI chatbots, and managing campaigns, all without coding. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're reviewing Flaxxa Wapi, a cutting-edge WhatsApp marketing and automation platform designed to help businesses engage customers faster and smarter. Whether you run an e-commerce store, agency, or growing business, Flaxxa Wapi offers powerful AI-driven tools to automate messaging, nurture leads, and boost sales. What is Flaxxa Wapi? Flaxxa Wapi is an all-in-one WhatsApp marketing solution that enables businesses to send targeted bulk messages, create no-code AI chatbots, and automate workflows for customer engagement. It's designed to cut through the noise by leveraging WhatsApp's massive user base and delivering personalized, timely messages that drive conversions. With features like automated follow-ups, multimedia messaging, and integration with over 1,000 apps, Flaxxa Wapi streamlines your marketing and customer support in one platform. How Flaxxa Wapi works. Flaxxa Wapi combines several advanced features to power your WhatsApp marketing. Bulk messaging. Send personalized broadcast messages to large audiences with high open rates. AI-powered chatbots. Build no-code chatbots that handle FAQs, guide customers through sales funnels, and provide 24/7 support. Flow-based auto-replies. Design interactive conversation flows to automate responses and nurture leads effectively. Template library. Use AI-assisted tools to create stunning, brand-aligned message templates with rich media like images and videos. Shared team inbox. Collaborate with your team by managing all customer messages from a single dashboard. Integrations. Connect with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, PayPal, Stripe, and Zapier for seamless workflow automation. Click to WhatsApp ads. Turn clicks from Facebook and Instagram ads into real-time WhatsApp conversations. Campaign scheduling and analytics. Plan your campaigns and track engagement to optimize your marketing efforts. Price. Flaxxa Wapi offers a one-time purchase with optional upgrades. Base package starting around $47 with bonuses and discounts available. Upgrades include AI template maker, advanced chatbot automation, and premium support plans. Subscription options for ongoing access to AI-powered bots and automation workflows. The pricing model is designed to be affordable and scalable for small businesses and agencies.